To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff. Begin by removing the windshield mount from the back of your TomTom Via. Use the special tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com to remove the screw from inside the mount socket. Use the shim tool to gently pry apart the TomTom. Push the ribbon cable away from the tape holding it in place, as shown. Loosen the ribbon cable connector by pulling out on the white latch. Remove the ribbon cable and set aside the screen. Remove the 3 screws holding the circuit board in place. Disconnect the battery connector as shown. Carefully pry loose and remove the original battery. Place a new extended life battery from newpower99.com into your TomTom. Adjust the battery wires as shown. Connect your new battery. Insert the circuit board edge beneath the plastic clips as shown. Replace the 3 screws. Replace the ribbon cable as shown. Issues with the screen are likely to result if the ribbon cable is not securely attached. Replace the cover and snap into place. Replace the screw inside the mount socket. Turn on your TomTom Via with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your TomTom Via should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the device for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. Newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.